Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. So today, we have a bag of things for reason boy, First thing, I have a video for showing with the Dan for Homestead. I bust up him rifle in him place before him lift up. Plus, Balla slide through a choppy and go put a 9 ball in a Grabba head. And Weed man left flat pan him face. Some people see the video you wanna see right now on the screen. A bossy that the Dan for Homestead, we run gone through the border, we take away himself from in a Spain town, cause him don't know what time it is, My viewers, you see right now over Spain town, every man a run down Dan ship. The youth them a run out for them dance and them general and a bus head hard. The place tens me and tell you no man no know who to trust. Friend a turn enemy. And as I always tell you no loyalty no in a badness. So the whole of with the writers I watch this thing ya play out. Me I tell you no more people. I watch the youth them a kill off them one another over the dirty lane and over extortion though. So as I say my people, video they wanna just say a bossy that from Homestead a bust up him rifle in him place before him lift up and take away himself from Boya. Cause him know say any card can play any moment. The kill squad can forward for him and him no want play number 3. Some people walk with me Balla from Babylon and slide through a choppy and go put a 9 ball in a Grabba head brawling. That a bossy brother. The youth you wanna see on the screen. My people, as I say, Spain town hot, every other day, every hour, pan the hour, me I tell you, be a 9 ball a slap, man up roll the street, look for them up, and the enemy them, fi turn them over, till see it, yeah, Balla go fi Grabba, and him never hesitate, me I tell you, my people, fi fling 9 ball in a head and in a chest, see it there. One more youth gone round a Paris, me I tell you my viewers. People, as I always say, badness has become a young people sport boy. Most of the elder them step aside, or if the elder them still in the game, them a lead enough of them youth to them grave, me I tell you Look around boy my viewers. How so much people are drop boy so. Eh? Wanna not think of that. Wanna think like say, I be a innocent youth them As I tell you my people, you them a pick up something where them can't manage and see it Duff cut and medares. So as I say, Balla from Babylon go fi Grabba brawling, slide through a choppy and left him flat pan him face like chapalin. Some of viewers walk with me again See that big man you wanna see on the screen? Berga, the weed man from George's Valley down in Manchester. Killer them pull up a film foot and nobody no know coulda want make the killer them pull up a film foot. Everybody a scream and a ball and a say I coulda make the man them do this to Berga. My people, set away boy. Life does a go down the drain boy. More while you have to wonder if life sell a shop. Man them not think about nobody. Once as you make it pan the dead list and the man them pull up a your foot, just know say I eat that. So as I say my people, see me, the elder get it in a the reverse way. Be a 9 ball in a chest, me I tell you my people. So as I say my viewers, we don't know where I go on boy. War, east, west, north and south. The youth them turn every local community and every lane in a battlefield. Say them a fight some old idiot war, me I tell you See it there. Now the residents them a fear living at them house like a prisoner. All when them free. So as I say my people, Spain town hot right now. Any number can play over upon them side there right now. All over Jamaica hot right now. The Bay hot right now. Westmoreland hot right now. Witchpana hot right now and active right now. Where body a drop right now my people. So wanna stay safe out there. Until next time. You hear that?